The Mate series is back, and it truly feels like a proper comeback. For years, Huawei's Mate lineup has been at the forefront of smartphone innovation. It was among the first to push large-screen productivity devices into the mainstream, helped pioneer periscopic zoom photography, and introduce variable aperture systems long before they became industry talking points. This is the series that consistently experimented and innovated. Now, with the global return of the Huawei Mate 80 Pro, that legacy continues but with a more refined direction. This isn't just another refresh, it's a reset. One that focuses on what truly matters in a flagship smartphone. The Mate 80 Pro's goal is simple: build a device that can outlast, outshoot, and outperform in real-world use. The question is, does it deliver this time? Let's get into it. Just like its P or Pura cousins, cameras are easily one of the strongest selling points of the Huawei Mate 80 Pro. And this time around, it's not just about hardware, but about AI-empowered imaging that focuses on accuracy and consistency. At the center of it all is a 50-megapixel ultralighting main camera paired with Huawei's true-to-color imaging system. The goal here is simple: make every shot look as close to real life as possible. Instead of overly saturated or processed images, the Mate 80 Pro leans towards natural tones, especially in tricky lighting conditions like dim indoor scenes, mixed lighting, or nighttime environments. And in practice, it truly stands out. When compared side by side with other smartphones or even a mirrorless camera as the control, it's easy to notice how it handles skin tones, overall exposure, and color consistency with more restraint. It doesn't try to wow us with over-the-top processing. Instead, it focuses on delivering photos that look clean, accurate, and true to what we saw in the moment. Complementing this is a 48-megapixel ultralighting macro telephoto camera, which adds a lot of flexibility. We can go from detailed macro close-up from as close as 5 centimeters all the way to zooming into distant subjects, all while maintaining sharpness and clarity. We also get a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera, rounding out a very capable and versatile camera system. All in all, it's one of those setups that lets us shoot more creatively without needing to switch or even think about another camera. But beyond the hardware, one of the standout features here is AI composition. This isn't just scene detection. The Mate 80 Pro actively guides us while framing our shots, suggesting better alignment, positioning, and balance in real time. It can seem a little gimmicky to someone more experienced in composition, but funnily enough, we can see it helping people who aren't. In actual use, the difference is noticeable. Without AI composition, you might end up with slightly off-center or cluttered shots. And with it enabled, framing becomes more intentional, subjects are better placed, and the overall image just looks more polished. Overall, the Mate 80 Pro's camera system delivers great and consistent image quality. AI on the Mate 80 Pro is designed to be practical. Running on EMUI 15, the device focuses on features that actually improve everyday interactions rather than overwhelming users with unnecessary tools. A lot of us in the studio also think it's the smoothest we've felt EMUI in a while. Not that it wasn't so with the Pura 80 series. It's just something about the animations just look a lot more buttery this time around. AI Smart Control makes it easy to access our preferred AI assistants like Gemini or ChatGPT with a quick gesture, streamlining how we interact with these services. And if you missed that, the quick gesture was double tapping the power button. And again, that's double tapping and not double pressing. If you ask us, it's one of those features that's more of a grounded approach to AI, less about novelty, more about usefulness. Moving on, under its panels, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro is powered by their in-house Kirin 9030 Pro, delivering a noticeable boost in performance over its predecessor. In day-to-day use, everything feels smooth and responsive. Multitasking between apps is seamless, and demanding tasks like gaming run without major slowdowns. But where the Mate 80 Pro really stands out is in sustained performance. It features Huawei's super cool dual-phase change cooling system designed to improve thermal efficiency and reduce overheating. This allows the device to maintain stable performance even during extended use. In real-world scenarios, this means we can game longer, switch between apps more fluidly, and rely on consistent performance without sudden frame rate drops or throttling. Huawei focused less about peak numbers and more about staying fast over time. In Genshin Impact, our benchmark for heavy mobile gaming, we were able to run it optimally with graphics set to high, running at 60 frames per second. And for those of you more interested in the numbers, the benchmarks should be on screen. Last but not least, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro carries a design that blends form and function. At the back, we get Huawei's iconic dual space ring camera module. It's symmetrical, clean, and gives off an infinity-inspired look. See how it's like infinity, which reinforces the Mate series' identity. The real focus here is, of course, durability. The device features a super durable metal frame for improved bend resistance. I tried pretty hard there. And on top of that, we get second-gen Kunlun glass for stronger drop protection. And the vegan fiber back adds grip while also resisting scratches and stains, making it more practical for everyday use even without the case. Protection goes even further with IP68 plus IP69 ratings. This means the Mate 80 Pro can handle extreme scenarios from deep water immersion to high pressure, high temperature exposure. Whether it's accidental drops in fresh water or splashes or even extreme temperatures, this is a device built to survive the elements. Just not salt water, of course. Just don't do that. So apart from feeling premium in hand, it's tough too. Battery life is another strong point for the Mate 80 Pro. It packs a 5,750 mAh battery, giving it a clear edge in endurance compared to more popular flagship devices today. Whether it's web research, productivity tasks, video streaming, or gaming, it's built to comfortably last through a whole day's use. In our PC Mark Work 3.0 battery testing, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro lasted 21 hours and 3 minutes. Not to mention, charging is equally impressive with support for 100-watt wired fast charging and 80 watts of wireless charging. From 0%, we were able to top up the device in an hour wired. Furthermore, we can also charge other devices with the phone at 20 watts wireless and 18 watts wired. Huawei also adds long-term after-sales value for a free battery replacement within 3 years, along with multiple free screen protector replacements. Kudos to them for reducing long-term ownership costs and ensuring the device stays reliable even after extended use. The Huawei Mate 80 Pro is a deliberate flagship comeback, and it frickin' shows. Huawei didn't just focus on adding features, instead it refined the fundamentals and doubled down on what matters most. Prospecting buyers get a device that's durable enough to handle extreme conditions, equipped with one of the best camera systems in the market, backed by strong sustained performance numbers, and powered by a long-lasting battery with wicked charging speeds, with a bonus for after-sales support. In other words, it delivers on its core promise: outlast, outshoot, outperform. The Huawei Mate 80 Pro is coming to our shores on April 17 with an introductory price of 64,999 pesos. Pre-order from April 17 to 23 and get a free Huawei Watch GT5 with your order and more. What do you guys think of the Huawei Mate 80 Pro and the global return of the Mate series? Let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, found it educational, informative, or a little fun, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this was the Huawei Mate 80 Pro. Miguel T, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.